Okay, so for this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to use the Format Painter. The Format Painter is very similar to what we used in Microsoft Excel, except the only difference is that we're using it in Word. But the concept is the same. We're trying to paint the exact kind of format to other lines of text, without having to go through the whole process. So let's say, for example, you could see new checking account, opening checking account, using checking account. These are little bullet points, and these would be, for example, like separators or different headings. So let's say I switch this to heading. I change the text to black. Maybe I'd say I want to italicize it just to make it look cool. So that's what I have. And I want to do the same thing for opening a checking account. Now, I could do the same thing. I could click heading and click on italics and so on, or I could just format paint it. So I select which is what I want to copy, because when you format paint something, you always have to select what you want to copy it with, or what you want to paint it, what you want to paint. So I click on Format Painter, and now that has been selected. And you can see that when a little paintbrush shows up. And when my paintbrush is going to copy my new thing with exactly how it's going to look. So I select opening a checking account, and notice how it paints it in the exact same format. And I can do this now. I can only do one at a time, so I'd have to do it again. Let's say that if I wanted to use using a checking account, I would have to do this. I'd have to do it twice. It only does it one. It only paints one at a time. But that's how basically you use the Format Painter.